In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add black screen in CapCut. A black screen is great for creating a dramatic pause, hiding a cut, or giving viewers a moment before the next scene. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what to look for on the timeline, and share a few simple tips so it looks clean and intentional. First, open CapCut and create a new project. If you're prompted to choose an aspect ratio, pick the one that matches your final video, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical content. Don't worry if the interface looks a little different on desktop versus mobile. The steps are the same. Next, add your video. Click New Project or Import, select your clip, and place it on the main timeline. Make sure the clip is selected, and take a quick look at the waveform if your footage has audio. That will help you find natural moments to insert a pause later on. Now, add a blank screen. The easiest way is to insert a solid black color clip. Look for the color library or stock/background section in CapCut. Choose the black color clip and add it to your media. If you don't immediately see it, search for color or black in the stock panel. Drag the black color clip onto the timeline. You can set its duration right away by dragging its edges, or leave it for later. Either way works. With your media ready, it's time to split the video where you want the black screen to appear. Move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the pause to begin, select your main clip, and use the split tool. On desktop, it's often labeled split or mapped to the S key. On mobile, tap split in the toolbar. This creates two clean sections without changing the content. Finally, put the black screen in between those two pieces of footage. Drag the black color clip so it sits between the split clips on the same track. Adjust the length by trimming the clip's edges. A very quick cut might be around half a second, while a dramatic pause can be longer. Play it back to make sure the timing feels right. If you're aiming for a full blackout, avoid adding transitions on that cut. The hard cut to black is what sells the effect. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, add a black color clip, split your footage, and drop the black clip between the two parts. Give it a final preview to confirm the pacing, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!